Have you ever wondered if someone could hack your computer, phone, or online accounts without you even realizing it? The truth is that hackers don't just target large companies anymore. They target everyday people because most attacks are easy to pull off when basic security is missing. The good news? You don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to protect yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you 12 simple habits that can dramatically reduce your chances of getting hacked. Let's get started. Tip number 1, never trust unexpected calls. One of the oldest tricks is still one of the most successful. Someone calls pretending to be Microsoft, your bank, Amazon, or your internet provider. They tell you there's a virus on your computer and ask you to install remote access software. Here's the truth. Microsoft will never call you unexpectedly to fix your computer. If someone calls you out of the blue asking for access to your computer, hang up immediately. Tip number 2, create strong passwords. If your password is 123456, password, your birthday, or your pet's name, you're making a hacker's job incredibly easy. Instead, use long passwords. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Even better, use a password manager to generate completely random passwords for every account. Never reuse passwords. If one website gets hacked, every account using that same password becomes vulnerable. Tip number 3, turn on multi-factor authentication. This is probably the easiest security upgrade you can make. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't access your account without the second verification code. Enable multi-factor authentication on email, banking, social media, cloud storage, and shopping accounts. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Tip number 4, keep Windows updated. Hackers love outdated computers. Every month, Microsoft releases security patches that fix newly discovered vulnerabilities. Ignoring updates leaves your computer exposed. Turn on automatic updates and let Windows protect itself. Tip number 5, beware of fake emails. Phishing emails have become incredibly convincing. They might look exactly like messages from Amazon, Netflix, UPS, FedEx, your bank, even your boss. Before clicking any link, ask yourself, was I expecting this email? Is the sender's address legitimate? Are they creating urgency? When in doubt, go directly to the company's website instead of clicking the link. Tip number 6, download software only from trusted sources. Avoid downloading software from random websites. Many free programs include malware, spyware, or ransomware. Instead, download software directly from the official developer's website or trusted app stores.
Tip number 7, protect your Wi-Fi network. Your home Wi-Fi should always have a strong password, WPA3 encryption, or WPA2 if WPA3 isn't available, and a change default administrator password. And remember, never leave the default router password unchanged. Tip number 8, avoid public Wi-Fi without protection. Coffee shops, hotels, airports, these networks can expose your data. If you must use public Wi-Fi, avoid online banking, avoid shopping, and use a trusted VPN whenever possible. Tip number 9, watch what you share online. Hackers collect information from social media. Your birthday, pets, schools, family names, vacation photos, all of these can help answer your security questions or make phishing attacks more believable. Think twice before posting personal information publicly. Tip number 10, install reliable antivirus software. Antivirus software is your first line of defense. Modern security software doesn't just detect viruses. It can also stop ransomware, malicious websites, phishing attacks, and suspicious behavior before damage is done. Keep it updated. Tip number 11, back up your important files. Imagine turning on your computer tomorrow and every file is encrypted. Without backups, your memories, photos, and business files could be gone forever. Use cloud backup, external hard drives, or both. Alright, the safest strategy is to have multiple backups. Tip number 12, trust your instincts. Hackers rely on panic. Your account will be deleted. You have 10 minutes. You've won a prize. Whenever someone pressures you to act immediately, stop, think, verify. Taking just 1 minute could save you thousands of dollars. Final thoughts. Cybersecurity isn't about being perfect. It's about making yourself a difficult target. Most hackers don't look for the smartest victim. They look for the easiest one. By following these simple habits, you'll dramatically reduce your risk of becoming the next victim. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future technology and cybersecurity tips. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Which cybersecurity tip do you think is the most important? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.